So day 2 here at Yellowstone National Park. Yesterday I had so much fun visiting like Old Faithful and Upper Geyser Basin. It was amazing, and particularly the Castle Geyser at the end was like mind blowing because of continuous eruption of like steam. And today I'm planning to go to Biscuit Basin, um, Black Sand Pools, I believe, I don't know, and then also the Norris Basin, and if I can go further, Mammoth Springs. So let's see how things go. But I'm just making coffee and some bread toast. So by the way, I really want to thank two YouTube channel for this. I got inspired from these two channels to go to Yellowstone. One is the Happy Camping Place, and then the other one is the Within Hiking Distance. So they recently, I think, traveled to Yellowstone, and then I really wanted to experience it myself. So I made a very impromptu plan to Teton and Yellowstone. So I've been camping all the way, like all the first come first serve campgrounds, and I took a break for a week from work and just like roaming around and experiencing the little bit east side of where I live. So so I'm here at the Black Sand Pool. I think morning time is the best time to explore. Not many people here, and you have the whole like the Geyser Basin to you. When you come in the morning, so much of like peace, majestic beauty of these geysers. I think if anyone haven't seen Yellowstone yet, I think they have to come and watch through their own eyes, because the videos don't do any justice. I'm so happy to be here. I have no words.
क्या बोलते हो सुबह में अच्छा यहाँ जो कलर में तुझे तस्वीर में वो
This is Biscuit Basin. It's just 1 or 2 miles from the Black Sand Pools. Just came here to explore. Anyways, if you do a 360 here, it looks very otherworldly for sure. Let me show you. So we start from here. There we go. And then at the distance, you see. This is the wall pool, and I mean the turquoise blue. I mean, maybe the camera is not recording, but turquoise blue color pool, and then there is a steam coming out from it. And if you see these two trees, like dead branches. So after the boardwalk at the Biscuit Basin, there is a trail for waterfalls called Mystic Waterfalls. So I'm just going to hike down and see how the waterfalls is. Wore a t-shirt which my brother gifted, and it's about the channel Super Traveler, both YouTube and Instagram. So thank you, Mahi, for sending me this. I really appreciate it. So every time I see this reminds me that I should be traveling more. I love outdoors, and I think this channel is dedicated to people who are outdoor enthusiasts and also who loves outdoors, like, you know, hiking, bicycling, river rafting, whatever you do. Everything is connected to nature. So yeah, so I'm still maybe 0.3 miles from the falls, so I'll reach maybe in 5 to 10 minutes. So just finished the Mystic Falls hike, and I'm going to go back to the Biscuit Basin again, and from there are so many other places I want to explore. Stay tuned.